The Shell V-Power racing team is one of the most successful and longest operating motorsports teams in Australia. Like many organisations, they face new and challenging circumstances due to ever-changing workplace environments. They needed flexible and robust systems that allowed staff to remotely access trackside data in real time, whether it be from home or on the racetrack.
We were part of a massive parent company in Penske Corporation, which employs over 60,000 people worldwide, to going to a small business of only 36 people. So we had a lot of challenges to overcome.
We had to migrate everything from their tenant over to our own domain and make sure our security systems were all up to scratch.
Not to mention the fact that Penske also had an additional suite that they had rolled out and across all of our endpoints here at the race shop, and also the engineering computers and the computers that we take on the road with us. So we had to replace all of that technology. And DXC couldn't have been a better provider for solving those problems for us.
My role on the project was to be the main point of contact within Shell V-Power Racing Team with the migration process through DXC, and to provide everyone here with the hardware and software support as we completed the project in collaboration with DXC.
There's no question that in working with DXC to establish our own 365 tenancy gives us enormous control.
This enables us to control our own security and our own data management, and as well as streamline a few processes that the engineers and mechanics use over the race weekend to make sure we're operating at optimal efficiency.
It's important to future-proof yourself as much as possible. Being in control of our own tenancy and in that sense, our own destiny, we're able to ensure that we can make change on the fly as we need it, when we need it, with the full support and backing of DXC every step of the way. The advantage of DXC is that not only did they understand the problem that we faced, but they were able to act quickly and deploy our own 365 tenancy as well as other solutions in a manner that not only met our expectations, but in all aspects exceeded them. Their commitment to our project, their support level, the way in which they went about the staging and the planning and working with other key stakeholders, it really showcased their competencies and their capabilities. And quite simply, DXC delivered on the brief more than I could ever have possibly hoped for.